Hello everyone and welcome to today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the US dollar weekly chart, but before we do that, please take note of the following. Please note that CFDs are high risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and doesn't constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now over here we're taking a look at the US dollar weekly chart, and if I put in a reference trough right there, we'll put in a reference peak right here. Once we've got the references, you can see we've got a higher trough and that's followed by a higher peak, and this is the definition of a uptrend in technical analysis. I also want to just point out that there seems to be a strong momentum underneath the trend, and as long as the stochastic stays above the 80, as long as it stays in the upper quintile, that momentum push will be suggested. The last indicator to take a look at here is just the RSI. It's sitting comfortably between 50 and 80. It's not overbought in the least. So this is a fairly good looking chart. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. All right, so the primary US dollar trend is up, and that seems to be aligning with the anticipation by the market that the Fed is now eager to taper its stimulus. However, we note the Fed probably wants to wait for another one, maybe two non-farm payroll reports. And you can see here, I've got the chart of this wave of the coronavirus that is sweeping through the US. The 7-day average hasn't turned yet, and I think this is going to be of concern to the Fed before announcing any policy changes. All right, thank you very much for that. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.